Here are 2 reasons why you should care about website performance.
What's performance?
Oh, right. Here's 1 explanation of website performance and 2 reasons you should care about it.
Why only 2?
Okay, 1 explanation and 3 reasons. Happy now?
Me?
I'm a figment of your imagination. This is all in your head. Are you happy now? I guess. Thanks. There are many ways to think about performance, but we think the right way is to look at it from the perspective of your visitors and the experience they're getting. And Google agrees, which is why they came up with Core Web Vitals and measure them through the Chrome browser. The Core Web Vitals are user-centric, measuring things like load speed, responsiveness, and visual stability of the page. At Elementor, we eagerly await the monthly Core Web Vitals report to see how well we're doing. And lately, we've been very happy with the results. So why should you care? Here are the 3 reasons. Reason 1, SEO. Search engines prefer high-performance sites and put them higher in the search results. Reason 2, conversions. Numerous studies have shown how even a 1-second slowdown can lead to a lot of missed conversions. And reason 3, brand affinity. Visitors notice bad performance, impacting your brand and lowering their time on your site. We've built Elementor Hosting to be among the best out there in terms of page experience, with things like auto-scaling, enterprise CDN, and 24/7 support. Want to learn more? No, we're out of time. No more comments.